Hi, this is Amay and I'm starting my lab 14. So let's move on to our simulator mode. So let's debug it and check whether we are having our whole grid or not. So here we are checking the distance by switching off the potentiometer, so it's converting analog to digital. And now let's move on to our grade button. So we can see it's been grading by shifting of our by 2 centimeter, and we can see here uh, our grade has been 100, and so we can conclude that our potentiometer is working good, and every it is like measuring the distance, how much time it has been moved, and we are there to get the output. Right now let's move on to the board mode. Right, so in the board mode what we need to do is we have to go to the debug mode, and let's see there. Okay, so before that, these are the connection which I have been made. This is my pot. Okay, so here this pin 1 is given to VCC, and 2 and 3 are been given to PE3, PE2 and PD3, which based on what the configuration and the code which we have written, right? So and yeah, so we need to move it so we could get the distance as well, right? So now let's move on to our debug mode and see here. So let's move on. Yeah, so let's increase this so we could be visible to our grade as well as. Yes, so I have to run it, so I'm running it, and now move on to the board as well. So now let's move on to the grading, right? So we have to see all the messages as well. So yeah, so it's initializing. Okay, now it's asking me to slide first, right? So I can show you I'm sliding it here. Okay, and I'm pressing the switch as well, which is my switch 1. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, and now it's asking me to toggle to the next, so I'm toggling again and pressing the switch 1. Okay, and I'm moving it to 3, and I am again toggling my switch 1, right, and again sliding to the 4th. As we know, we are doing it for 5 samplings, so I have again slided it and press this switch. Okay, now it's the last iteration. Here again I have to move it. So yeah, and here we can't be accurate, but it's like it's our movement and everything has gone to this, so we have coded based on that, and its grade is 100, so we can say our code is working properly in both the modes. Thank you.